IST chief.
So good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Insurance Day Chai Pe Charcha. We have with us today Keyur Purohit. He's been around for quite a while, and he'll tell you more about himself. And well, basically, let's start with the first question. Keyur, how do you distinguish yourself from normal agents?
It is a value system which separates me from the normal agent. My father has been in industry for the last 50 years. And what our mission is that we work on a mission to serve the customers, and commission is not the only motto. Second, we work with 4 generations of clients. So that's the thing that we are building on, creating and nurturing a human relationship. Insurance happens to be the byproduct for it. I would give the full credit to my clients who, in spite of having several options, have decided to stay on with me. I do patiently wait for my clients. For example, for Antaki director happens to be my client, I waited for close to 5 years. So it's, I give a lot of choice and time to my clients. And I work on scientific methods of insurance, that is like A by H method, and that's how we take the things ahead. Finally, I do give lectures in Rotary Club, so that normally sets a tone.
Excellent. So how does the client benefit from working with you?
Oh, great. See, like 5 fingers are different. 2 brothers in a family, one happens to be a techno savvy, while other prefers face-to-face meeting. So it's like that's where the gelling around with different set of customers, which really sets me apart. Then I work with clients specifically. I ask them for title reviews. Now that's very important part of the insurance process. Very few people are able to do it in the right way. And clients, for example, are investing into equities, land. I don't tell them that's a bad investment, it's a wonderful investment. But I focus on a financial pyramid. I request all of you to Google on the thing and find a financial pyramid. And I work on the fundamentals of that. So like there where the insurance, how it can help you, and it really helps them immensely.
What do you like and love most about your work?
Oh, wonderful. I get to meet lovely people like the pioneers across. I would, where in other part of career would I be able to meet the MDs and CEOs of the big business houses. Plus, businessmen having 25 plus 4 employees having a different mindset. I get an opportunity to work with them. So people and people. That's I love.
Fascinating. Now you mentioned that you work with 4 generations of clients. How did you actually do it? I mean, why did they come back to you and send their children along?
Oh, great. See, the older generation, that's a grandpa, is like maintaining the books of records and maintaining the entries. So that's where first interaction starts with. The second generation is that why do you want to meet me? What's the agenda? So that is where the second generation. The third generation is more on a WhatsApp and email. Hey, why you email me? Set me the agenda before I want to see whether I want to meet you or not. And finally, the fourth agenda is those who are going in schools. I think I've started interacting with them, but by the time they will be grown up, I'll be talking to them on satellite phones. So I try to gel around with all the 4 and come at a common path. That's where I've been able to work out with them.
You're talking about being flexible with them.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the key.
So nowadays, when policies can be bought online and premium also is paid online, why do we need you?
Oh, thank you. Wonderful question. See, what happens is that everything can be done online and offline. You can go to Flipkart, you can go to Amazon. 6 months down the line, they will also be selling insurance policies. So, big competition ahead. But, let me tell you 2 brothers in a business. Over here, Pankaj Bhai, Kalpesh Bhai, they are into brothers in business. When they are about to pass it on to next generation, can they do it online? Well, insurance is a legacy where you can transfer your wealth to the next generation. Number 1. Number 2, if a husband has to plan something for his wife, he can only buy online. But how much? When? That all requires expertise. So remember, insurance is never ever bought. It always has to be sold.
Nice. So 5 years from today, what will you be doing?
Today I serve around 5,000 plus policies. My vision for is that 5 years down the line I will be servicing 15,000 policies. So that's what as simple as that. I'll be working on that.
And how will you reach there?
Oh, I've set a goal. Every business has got a vision plan. I've got a roadmap for myself. For example, all those people who are going to buy online policies, I'm going to tap them later. because they can only buy and pay premium online. But what's the big thing between the 25 years? They require loans, they require title clearance, and all these things are there, and many other things. They have certain issues which need to be sorted out, and for that my role will be primary. And plus, I've got my existing clients, so I'm going to request them, those who want free services, they can come to me. My office will be handling it.
Nice. So who's your inspiration?
Of course, it's my parents. Well, I do not know how many I've talked in one-to-one, but my father, in the childhood, in a tram accident, he lost his 3 fingers in amputation. It happened to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, expired on that day, and there was no anesthesia that day. For close to 4 to 5 hours, he was just bleeding, and then he had to be operated. But that's a big story after all. You can take it in one-to-one. And my mother had a hole in the heart right from her childhood. So this was discovered very late in the life. But then she had an open heart surgery back in 1985. But still working more than what I am working. So my parents are the best inspiration.
Thank you very much. That was our last question. Pleasure to have you on the show.
Any questions? Yes, so floor is open. Yeah.
What is the kind of return on investment in LIC?
Well, it can be, if I'm not intimating you, it can be as good as 100%. If the person has to tell me the date of the death, I can give you 100% on first day. It's more than 100%. Second, is the rate of return on insurance policy works to 5% for people above 50 and close to 8% for people in the group of 30 and less.
So it's around 8%.
Yeah. And I'm talking, if I take the, there's other way also to do it, but I'm doing a very pure way. If I do it another way, it goes to 9% also. So that's where my expertise is. I don't do any mismatch. But one good thing is that when person asks me to have investment, I just open the Excel sheet. I teach him how to do IRR. I teach him very simple. And then I say, so save this and open Excel next time when you're buying something. And it will help you. Example, you're going for a car, somebody says this is the interest that you are going to pay. Just put it in Excel and they come to me everything. And then I am always available one phone call away.
Any more questions? Great. Thanks a lot again.